美式英语频率最高的1200句，每天1小时，3个月听懂美国人。You dress like a monster.
You dress like a monster.
你穿得像个怪物。You dress like a monster.
You dress like a monster.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
圣诞快乐。Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
I received a very good gift.
I received a very good gift.
我收到了一个特别好的礼物。I received a very good gift.
I received a very good gift.
What do you want for Christmas?
What do you want for Christmas?
圣诞节你想要什么？ What do you want for Christmas?
What do you want for Christmas?
How did you spend Christmas?
How did you spend Christmas?
你圣诞节怎么过？ How did you spend Christmas?
How did you spend Christmas?
When is Thanksgiving Day?
When is Thanksgiving Day?
感恩节在什么时候？ When is Thanksgiving Day?
When is Thanksgiving Day?
Happy Thanksgiving Day.
Happy Thanksgiving Day.
感恩节快乐。Happy Thanksgiving Day.
Happy Thanksgiving Day.
It's time to get together.
It's time to get together.
到了聚到一起的时候了。It's time to get together.
It's time to get together.
The turkey is so delicious.
The turkey is so delicious.
这个火鸡很美味。The turkey is so delicious.
The turkey is so delicious.
When is Halloween?
When is Halloween?
什么时候是万圣节？ When is Halloween?
When is Halloween?
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
万圣节快乐。Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
We all dress in strange costumes.
We all dress in strange costumes.
我们都穿着奇怪的衣服。We all dress in strange costumes.
We all dress in strange costumes.
Your mask is so cool.
Your mask is so cool.
你的面具真酷。Your mask is so cool.
Your mask is so cool.
Christmas is a Western holiday.
Christmas is a Western holiday.
圣诞节是一个西方节日。Christmas is a Western holiday.
Christmas is a Western holiday.
What a nice pumpkin lantern.
What a nice pumpkin lantern.
好漂亮的南瓜灯啊。What a nice pumpkin lantern.
What a nice pumpkin lantern.
We will have a Halloween party.
We will have a Halloween party.
我们会举办一个万圣节晚会。We will have a Halloween party.
We will have a Halloween party.
When is Easter?
When is Easter?
复活节是什么时候？ When is Easter?
When is Easter?
How do you celebrate Easter?
How do you celebrate Easter?
你们怎么庆祝复活节？ How do you celebrate Easter?
How do you celebrate Easter?
I get many Easter eggs.
I get many Easter eggs.
我收到了复活节彩蛋。I get many Easter eggs.
I get many Easter eggs.
Easter is a Christian festival.
Easter is a Christian festival.
复活节是一个宗教节日。Easter is a Christian festival.
Easter is a Christian festival.
The bunny is the Easter symbol.
The bunny is the Easter symbol.
小兔子是复活节的代表。The bunny is the Easter symbol.
The bunny is the Easter symbol.
Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
复活节快乐。Happy Easter.
Happy Easter.
I wish you a happy Easter.
I wish you a happy Easter.
我祝你复活节快乐。I wish you a happy Easter.
I wish you a happy Easter.
What will you do this Easter?
What will you do this Easter?
在复活节那一天，你打算做什么？ What will you do this Easter?
What will you do this Easter?
We will pray in church on Easter.
We will pray in church on Easter.
我们在复活节会去教堂祈祷。We will pray in church on Easter.
We will pray in church on Easter.
What's the origin of Easter?
What's the origin of Easter?
复活节是怎么来的？ What's the origin of Easter?
What's the origin of Easter?
When is your birthday?
When is your birthday?
你什么时候生日？ When is your birthday?
When is your birthday?
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
生日快乐 Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Make a wish.
Make a wish.
许个愿 Make a wish.
Make a wish.
I want to treat you to a meal.
I want to treat you to a meal.
我要请你吃饭 I want to treat you to a meal.
I want to treat you to a meal.
I often get news from the internet.
I often get news from the internet.
我经常在网上看新闻 I often get news from the internet.
I often get news from the internet.
I have some net pals.
I have some net pals.
我有一些网友 I have some net pals.
I have some net pals.
Let's sing along.
Let's sing along.
我们一起唱吧 Let's sing along.
Let's sing along.
Turn up the volume, please.
Turn up the volume, please.
请把声音调大 Turn up the volume, please.
Turn up the volume, please.
Help me turn up the volume.
Help me turn up the volume.
帮我把声音调大 Help me turn up the volume.
Help me turn up the volume.
You really have a sweet voice.
You really have a sweet voice.
你的声音很甜 You really have a sweet voice.
You really have a sweet voice.
You are a perfect singer.
You are a perfect singer.
你唱歌真好 You are a perfect singer.
You are a perfect singer.
Pick the song you are good at.
Pick the song you're good at.
选一首你擅长的歌 Pick the song you are good at.
Pick the song you're good at.
Which song will you sing?
Which song will you sing?
你要唱哪首歌呢 Which song will you sing?
Which song will you sing?
Give me the microphone.
Give me the microphone.
请把麦克风给我 Give me the microphone.
Give me the microphone.
Please use that microphone.
Please use that microphone.
请用那个麦克风 Please use that microphone.
Please use that microphone.
What a wonderful song.
What a wonderful song.
多美的一首歌 What a wonderful song.
What a wonderful song.
I'd like to see your wine list.
I'd like to see your wine list.
我想看看你们的酒单 I'd like to see your wine list.
I'd like to see your wine list.
I want a soft drink.
I want a soft drink.
我想要一杯软饮料 I want a soft drink.
I want a soft drink.
Draft beer tastes good.
Draft beer tastes good.
生啤酒味道不错 Draft beer tastes good.
Draft beer tastes good.
Is there a minimum charge?
Is there a minimum charge?
这有最低消费吗 Is there a minimum charge?
Is there a minimum charge?
I'd like to sit near the band.
I'd like to sit near the band.
我想坐在离乐队近的地方 I'd like to sit near the band.
I'd like to sit near the band.
Do you mind sitting at the bar?
Do you mind sitting at the bar?
您介意坐在吧台吗 Do you mind sitting at the bar?
Do you mind sitting at the bar?
What's on tonight?
What's on tonight?
今晚会上映什么影片 What's on tonight?
What's on tonight?
Who is your favorite movie star?
Who is your favorite movie star?
谁是你最喜爱的电影明星 Who is your favorite movie star?
Who is your favorite movie star?